What's up, YouTube? It's another beautiful day here in Las Vegas. Actually, I haven't even seen outside, so I don't know if it's a beautiful day or not, but I hope it is, because today I got poached to do a photo shoot and said hell with it, yeah. So we're on our way right now to go to meet up with a photographer out in the middle of the desert. We're gonna do the shoot out there. Take you with us. I'm kind of running a little late, so I'm rushing to find my car, but there she is. I didn't get that bad of parking. I haven't heard a cold start in a parking garage in a long time. So let's see how loud it really is. Woo. Not too loud, not too quiet. Just the way I like it. Sal's having a little fun on the way there. He just installed some blowout valves about 2 weeks ago. And the exhaust, of course, but mainly the blowout valves. He still hasn't had all his fun with the sound, so. He's enjoying the hell out of that. We're going way out here in the desert. It's about 15-20 minutes more than where I had marked on the navigation from where the guy sent me, but there might be somebody who's a YouTuber and he's famous and he might be there. I'm not supposed to say yet, but I will get his permission, and if he does allow me, I will film and let you guys know. So pretty exciting. There's somebody famous who's gonna be there. See a bunch of cars on the side of the road, so I think we found the spot. Yeah, it looks like we did. No, it looks like we didn't. He said a blue Lexus would be here. I don't see a blue Lexus. Oh, this is just those rocks that all regular tourists come and take pictures at. That's not us. We found it, and we're making the most illegal fucking U-turns ever right now. I'll bleep that out later, but we found it. I guess that other RC Rohana, that baby blue one, is here doing part of the shoot. We're the only ones here so far. I better not get stranded out here. We're gonna roll out a little bit farther. I hope I don't pop a tire, because these tires are extremely hard to find, and my experience so far, they've always had to be custom ordered and no shop carries them. So if I pop a tire on anything out here, I'm screwed, and I guess I'm staying in Vegas for a little bit longer. We finally found the spot, guys. We made it out here, but I'm worried about the car. My thin tires are making so much noise rubbing against all these rocks, so I'm really worried, but we'll make it out. There's some trucks coming to do a shoot after this, so if anything worse comes to worse, we'll have them pull us out of the mud or out of the dirt. Whew, we made it out of the dirt. Man, I can finally relax now. Let me see. Line it up right here. There you go. I'm gonna do a couple shots on the street, blocking off the road, me and the GTR, and then a couple pass-by shots. So many trucks and other people out there taking their own photo shoots and everything. We're out here doing it in a little area. I'm not trying to get the car stuck out there, and we're just gonna do a quick little photo shoot. Nothing too long. We're already pretty much almost done. We're gonna go do a couple pass-by shots, not roller shots because we don't have a chaser vehicle. But he's posting up right there. Gonna do a few pass-by shots and then just dip on the second round. Gonna go that way, come back, and then just take off afterwards. I don't know where he's going. You don't have to go that far. Whatever, I guess I'm going first. I just freaking drove the car while it's on lowered stance. I have no idea how bad the damage is. It sounded really freaking bad. I'm too scared to get out and check, so we'll do the shoot real quick and then check it out, because I'm not trying to ruin my mood right now. For a second there, I got scared. Sounded like something was scraping, like it fell off, but I got out to check everything. You know, when I am dropped low, my exhaust does touch the ground, so me driving like that could have done some really bad damage to the car that I'm just gonna have to find out later. But I'm really worried. Yesterday after the show, we also had some issues. Turned out nothing. I let the car cool down a little bit after all that revving, and we were fine, but let's get it. We'll find out later about the damage. I guess that's round one. I hope he got some good shots, because I'm not doing this again. I'm so worried about what kind of damage I did to the car. It was dropped down to about 15 PSI. Here we go for round two. So far the car still sounds good, other than the annoying seatbelt, which I'm not putting on right now. Look at all these trucks pulling up right now. So many trucks out here doing shoots. So many. We got one already that was doing a shoot next to us. I guess the rest of the crew just showed up. But I guess our shoot is done, guys.